있어.
Coffee. It gives you a buzz. Some people love it, some people hate it. But one of the reasons that it has become such an important part of work culture is that people build relationships over cups of coffee. As a manager or a leader, you want to develop these relationships, this social capital, so that you can influence beyond just the people that you manage directly. Let's look at some trust-building communication strategies. First, listen to your people. For real. This tip comes from Karen May, who's the head of people at Google. At Google, managers use employee feedback for product design and the procurement of Google Campus bicycles. You want to give your people a voice for real. Second, build trust with a little bit of personal disclosure. Here's a formula for you. Find something that's going on in your work world. Then identify an event or memory outside of your work life that you think of when you reflect on that thing that's happening in your work world. Then talk about that memory or experience in an authentic but professional way. People are attracted to a little bit of vulnerability. Third, next time you speak to somebody who you want to develop a relationship with, don't have an agenda. If you think about it, oftentimes workplaces are really outcome focused, and this can be off-putting if you're always looking to get something from someone when you speak with them. So try just conversing briefly and walk away. Don't ask anything of them, and they might feel like they enjoy talking with you a little bit more. So in summary, one of the most important things for managers to do is to cultivate trust with their teammates. An easy and productive way to build trust is to practice actively looking for and then using the ideas of the people on your team. You can also build trust with a little bit of personal disclosure that's both authentic and appropriate for the workplace. Because the workplace is often very outcome-focused, you can build relationships by having conversations that don't include a business agenda.